Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno4 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we are, we have here access to other modes of this camera. One of this is the slow motion mode, so when we tap on this, we can start recording the slow motion video by using this big red button here at the center. So let me start to show you how it looks like. And now let's stop recording by tapping again on the shutter, and let's move here to the left corner at the bottom where we have access to the gallery, and this is our video. So this is how the slow motion video looks like on this device. It's pretty slow. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.